Good afternoon. Welcome to our today's session. Our unit today is chemical techniques. It's called chemical techniques. When is today? It's the 8th of the 4th, 2025. So maybe before we continue, let me take the presence of some of the class members today. Henry, Mary, Joshua, Apoke, Eric, Thaddeus. I can realize that most of the members today are present, so we can proceed on our today's session. I remember last time we did a practical on titration. Titration we met the reagent cells being prepared to a particular concentration. And those reagents, today I want us to exactly know how to prepare those reagents, so that before we do the practical next time, we prepare the solution from the stock solution. So therefore, our today's topic today is the preparation of laboratory reagents. Preparation of laboratory reagents. So our learning outcomes today as one is at least we define some of the definition of concentration terms. Secondly, is preparation of standard solution. So this is our learning outcomes today. So we can proceed. The definition of the concentration terms is one of them is molarity, and secondly is molality, and that one is the mole fraction. And maybe in groups of 2, we can try to brainstorm at least you get an idea of what is molarity, that is group 1, group 2, molality, and group 3, the mole fraction. So we can start from that yes, to Eric. We can discuss this one as the, at least you have an idea of that. Nyapoke and Joshua about molality. Mary and Henry, at least something more fraction. Without wasting much time, let us hear from the group members. Maybe group 1, at least a rough idea on what you understand by the term molarity.
Molality is the number of moles in a solid per volume.
That is very good. The number of
Moles
moles
of
solute
per volume.
In a volume, or maybe in a solution. Let's say in a solution. That's a good trial. The second group, molality.
So we found out that molality is the mass of a substance in a liter of the solution.
So that is a very good trial. Okay. I can give you as molality is the number of moles and the number of moles of a solute in and the number of moles of a solute per kg. This is a very key word, per kg in a solution. In other words, what Nyamboke says is the mass. You talk about the mass. So this is the mass of a particular substance in a solution. I hope we are getting it. Eh?
May I have a question? What is the difference now between the two? Because you can still convert moles into mass.
Yeah,
And
can
here you
I-
are saying number of moles per kg. What is the
Let me
difference?
try the first one.
Yeah. You can
Molarity, the first one, is a unit of concentration expressed in moles of a solid per liter of solution.
exactly. Maybe I can add here per
A liter of solution.
liter. There's a good drive. And then, Reiki, what do you understand by the term per kg? Is the number of
I think the difference is the first one, that the number of moles is per specified volume, that is a liter.
yeah.
But in the second one, the mass or the amount of the solid is in mass, but the volume is not given.
Exactly. There's a good drive. Let's proceed. That group was to define the term mole fraction. Very-
Mole fraction is the ratio of moles of the component in the mixture.
Yeah, that is a good drive. It is the ratio. It is the ratio of the number of moles of a component to the total number of moles in the mixture. So is the ratio